Welcome. If you want to record the screen of your game on the PlayStation 5, at the first you have to enter the game, and we can start recording this part. So grab your controller and then tap creator button right here, then move on the right and click X to start the new record, right? So right now we can enter the arcade battle. Okay, we can be on the left and we can take maybe Lars. Okay, the record is almost hit the 20 seconds, so right now just tap back the creator button, and if you want to stop your record, just simply go right here below and tap X to stop. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.